welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dynamic Concorder. So today we are looking at the roots of a quadratic function, alpha and beta. So the question which I was solving today, it came from Unza, University of Zambia, 2008, question 5A, second academic year. So those of you who have this question papers, you can go and check for this question, the one we are going to be solving here. So the question reads, and again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to like this video. So for more videos, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the question is, given that x is equal to 2 is a root of the equation alpha squared x squared plus 2 open bracket 2 alpha minus 5 close bracket x plus 8 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 is the root of this equation. So question 1, find the possible values of a. So today our main topic is to tackle on this question. So this one I'll post it later. So now we go to our solution. Solutions. So in the question they have given that x is equal to what? 2. And what is our equation? Our equation is this one. This one is our equation. Alpha squared x squared plus 2 open bracket 2 alpha minus 5 cross brackets x plus what? X plus what? Plus 8 is equal to 0. Yeah. So they have told us to find the possible values of alpha. This alpha, to find the possible values of this alpha. So what are we gonna do here? So you have to expand first this one. You have to come up with the original equation. This is not the original equation. So you have to come up with the original equation. So we are going to expand this by 2. So alpha squared x squared plus 2 multiplied by 2a. What is 2 multiplied by, or not 2a, sorry, 2 multiplied by 2 alpha. What is 2 multiplied by 2 alpha? It is 4 alpha minus 2 multiplied by 5, 10, cross x plus 8 is equal to what? 0. So remember in the question they have told us to say x is equal to 2. So wherever in the equation where there is x, we are going to replace it with what? With 2. So alpha squared x squared plus 4 alpha minus 10 x plus 8 is equal to 0. This is the equation. So here, where there is x, we have to replace it with what? With 2. So alpha squared 2 squared plus 4 alpha minus 10 here 2 plus 8 is equal to what? 0. So alpha squared, what is 2 squared? 2 squared is what? It's 4. 4 multiplied by this one, it is 4 alpha squared plus 2 multiplied by 4a, 8 alpha, not 4a, sorry, 8 alpha. Again, 2 multiplied by this one, it is negative what? Negative 20 plus 8 is equal to 0. So from here, these two I like them, so we are going to write these two. So 4 alpha squared plus 8 alpha, negative 20 plus 8. What is negative 20 plus 8? It is what? Negative 12 is equal to 0. So this is now our equation, but this is our original equation, but we have to simplify this one. Since we don't have calculators, we have to simplify this one. So we have to divide both part of the equation by 4. So alpha squared plus 4 into 8, 2 alpha. Again, 4 into 12 minus 3 is equal to what? 0. So now this is our original equation. We have come up with this original equation. So from here we can tell that this is the quadratic equation. So you are going to solve this either by using those three methods used to solve quadratic equation. We have completing the square method, substitution method, and the quadratic formula. So from here we are going to use the quadratic formula. You can use either of those, but here we can use the quadratic formula so that everyone, some of you may not get confused. So we have A, B, C. What is our A? Our A, you can remember from the quadratic equation, it is like ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So A, B, C. Our A, it is the coefficient of this A. It is what? This x squared, it is A. B, it is the coefficient of this one, and C is this one. So we come from here. What is the coefficient of x squared? It is this one, which have the x squared alpha squared. What is the coefficient of this one? It is 1. Our B, 2. Our C, negative 3. So we are going to use the formula now. X is equal to negative B, positive or negative, the square root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A. So x is equal to, what is our B here? What is our B? 2. Positive or negative, the square root of, what is our B squared? 2 squared minus 4. What is our A? What is our C? Negative what? 3 over 2, 1. So x is equal to negative 2 positive or negative, the square root of 2 squared. What is 2 squared? It is 4 minus negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 3, it is positive what? 12 over 2. So x is equal to negative 2 positive or negative, the square root of 4 plus 12. What is 4 plus 12? It is 16 over 2. So you've been told to find the possible values of alpha. So the our answer should be 2. So we're going to equate like this. So x is equal to, or you can use alpha here, but for some of you to not get confused, we'll just use x. So negative 2 plus the square root of 16 over 2, or x is equal to negative 2 minus the square root of 16 over 2. Yeah. So x is equal to, what's negative 2 plus this? We all know that the square root of 16 it is 4. So what is negative 2 plus 4? Negative 2 plus 4, it is what? 2. If the signs are different, you multiply negative times positive is what? Negative, and then you subtract the smaller number from the larger number, and then you maintain the sign of the larger number. So here it is 2 over 2. The square root of 16, remember, it is what? 4. Negative 2 plus 4, it is 2. Or x is equal to negative 2 minus, what is the square root of 16? It is 4 over 2. So again, negative 2 minus 4, it is what? Negative 6 over 2. So x is equal to 2 into 2, 1. Or x is equal to 2 into negative 6, negative 3. So these are the answers, the two possible values of x. So from here you can tell that therefore the possible values of alpha are what? 1 and negative 3. Or you can say alpha is equal to 1 or alpha is equal to negative 3. So this is our answer. This is our answer from this question. Given that the x is equal to 2 is a root of the equation, this equation, find the possible values of alpha. We have been told to find the past properties of alpha, and this is our solution. I hope you get it clear. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Tutor Lame Concorda, and the next question I'll post it on this same page. So subscribe and like the video. Thank you. I'll be posting more questions from the past papers or more questions. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel.